Once my car starts breaking down on me and I have to keep getting work done and stuff, I just no longer see it as a reliable car. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another Vlogmas. Was this Vlogmas number 6? I think. Welcome back to Vlogmas number 6. I already know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Y'all, I'm trying to find my other battery. And it's not in the charger. It's not. Maybe it's in my purse because maybe I took it with me. I don't know. But yeah, so today is Monday. It's around 11 o'clock. And I just let the kids and stuff open up a Christmas gift. So they're downstairs playing with that. Mom also opened up one of his gifts that I had got him. I told y'all at the last vlog, my hair looks a mess. I have to do my hair today. So I want to wash my hair and stuff today. But I need to go to the hair store because I want to get that silicone mix to bring this weave back to life. Vlogging today, tomorrow. Probably a little bit of Wednesday, upload Wednesday, and then we upload Sunday, and then I'm probably going to do a weekend vlog for New Year's and vlog that weekend. So after Vlogmas, I'm gonna take a break, the 27th through the 31st, or the 27th through the 30th. I'm gonna take a little break from vlogging, and then I'm gonna upload and vlog New Year's Eve weekend because it's going to be a lot of stuff going on. My mom comes in town. We're going to be going out, celebrate Fred's birthday and stuff. So I definitely want to make sure I'm vlogging then. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I'm actually very proud of myself, y'all. The fact that I only missed one day, that's pat on the back, okay? I committed to 2 days a week, and I have been showing up and showing out and producing content and uploading and editing within a couple of days of each other, on top of everything else that I have going on at home. So I'm very proud of myself. I hope you guys are proud of me, and I hope you guys are loving the Vlogmas content so far. I know Sunday's vlog went up way later than what I expected, and it wasn't that interesting. I didn't have a lot going on, but I'm still kind of recovering from being sick, so I'm trying to take it easy. But this vlog, we should have some cute stuff going on. I think maybe tomorrow we're gonna let the girls decorate their gingerbread house, and then that's the last gingerbread activity we have. I'm going to make this seafood pasta tonight, or later on today, so I'm gonna show me doing that so you guys can have all the details for that, girl, in case you want to make it. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I have a few errands to run. I have to go pick up our ham, and MEILANI has a dentist appointment, so I'm gonna take you guys along for that. So this is gonna be a good little vlog these next 2-3 days. But I just wanted to pick up the camera and check in. Let me change my battery and we'll be back. Hey.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the coupe 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
We are back, and we're about to get into the seafood linguine, okay? Period. I switch it up. Sometimes I do little pieces of salmon, shrimp, whatever. I've done scallops before. And you can just do all that and just make you your own little linguine. You okay? But today, I'm doing shrimp, and then I have some lobster tail. I have 3 lobster tails. And we're just gonna cut it up and put it all in there. My water over here boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the linguine pasta in there in a minute. But I just wanted to come on here and just kind of update y'all. I need an onion, a lemon, butter, seafood, whatever seafood you prefer to put in there. And we about to get to work.
You had replied, wish you never put me to the side, wish you just gave me a little time, wish you swallowed all your pride, yeah. Call me by that night, yeah. Summer 60 vibe, yeah. Yeah, you fucking right, I got up and don't say I'm sorry, when I say you only sorry, send me I'll blow up and you're watching, but watch from a distance, don't give a fuck if you love me, don't bring your energy around me. I need that bag right now, got you so mad right now. I'm popping bags like whoa. Don't need no man right now. I sacrificed. I wanted you more than another life. I thought I was the one who could suffice you. Countless sleepless nights too. Love can turn you in a damn fool. Looking back like fuck you. I bet you wish you had replied. Yeah. Wish you never put me to the side. Wish you just gave me a little time. Wish you swallowed all your pride, yeah. Call me by that night, yeah. Summer 60 vibe, yeah. Yeah, you fucking right. I got up and changed my life. Now it's fucking with your psyche. How you fuck up with a bad bitch like me? Know you wanna be beside me. Got me prestige, I'm really heavy. From sun down to sun up, you sleep, I'ma come up, you fuck up my trust. Now I'm fucking up, come on. You say that you miss me, I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck, I sacrificed. I wanted you more than another life. I thought I was the one who could suffice you. Countless sleepless nights too. Love can turn you in a damn fool. Looking back like fuck you.
I know I said I was gonna do my hair yesterday, but clearly I did not. After I was done cooking, y'all, what did I do? I just relaxed. Oh, I did some online shopping because I plan on doing like a Christmas collective haul, I guess. I was just gonna include the haul in a vlog or whatever, but then I'm not gonna lie, like it started getting a little out of hand, the stuff that I was getting, so I really honestly have to make it like its own separate video. So you guys will obviously see that like after Christmas. Did some online shopping, and then I just was like relaxing for a while, y'all. Like I was not, I don't know, I just did not feel like doing my hair. And then I didn't think it was gonna be dry in time, because you know when you have weave, like your braids and stuff, like they need time to dry. And I didn't want to have to go out today to take MEILANI to her dentist appointment and look crazy. Yeah, so I just decided I'm just gonna wash my hair when I get back from taking MEILANI to the dentist today. It's 11:49. Her appointment is at 2 o'clock. Careful. Fifi, get down, mama. Fifi, get down, mama. Fifi. I can give you guys a little rundown while I'm waiting on this man to come. So we're back from the dentist. Everything went really, really good. MEILANI was able to get x-rays for the very first time. If you have a child with autism, then you know it is a struggle. Anything like doctor, dental, because they have a lot of sensory issues. So she does not like people in her mouth or anything like that. So for the last 7 years, we haven't been able to get x-rays done. It's been extremely difficult and just really overwhelming for her. This time we were able to finally get them done. I'm so excited. So all of her teeth look great. We do have to get some treatments done, which she will get done in February. So they're going to, what does she call it? literally I just forgot the word, you guys, but it's basically where they like put the stuff over her permanent teeth just to like not get cavities. But I literally just forgot the word of it. And then she said one of her teeth looks like it's like the very, very, very beginning of a cavity, so they're gonna go ahead and just fill it. But other than that, she said her teeth look great. Her big teeth are growing in really good. She was also getting like a lot of buildup and stuff on her new adult teeth at the bottom, so the dentist was able to go in and like really clean them and scrape that stuff off, which MEILANI did a really, really good job with that. They had to take like a couple breaks in between, but she still did a really good job. So I'm extremely proud of her. I took her to Target and I let her pick out 2 more of her little squishy toys. I think she already had this one, but we went and picked up this one and this one. And she's missing one. I guess one's name is Dot. I don't know. I have another one downstairs, but I don't know if it's the one she's talking about or if it's one that she already has. So we'll have to see. But she's going to be asking me about Dot all day. Yeah, right now it's 4:05. I'm waiting on the guy to pull up with the tow truck because I'm selling my car today. I'm selling my Nissan Altima today. So I'm waiting for the tow truck to get here. He said he was outside, and then I was like, you can't be outside because I'm looking at my window and you're not here. So I text him the address, so hopefully he comes in a minute. Yeah, that was like 5 minutes ago. So I don't see a tow truck, so I'm just waiting on him to come, and then I'm gonna sell my car, my Altima, y'all. I'm honestly, it's a bittersweet moment, but I don't drive it. I don't drive it. I haven't driven it for a while now, and that's because I was having some issues with it. And with older cars, because this is 2004, with older cars, I just kind of feel like, me personally, like once my car starts breaking down on me and I have to keep getting work done and stuff, I just no longer see it as a reliable car, and I'm just not gonna drive it with like me and my kids, because I don't want me and my kids to ever be in a position where we're stuck on the side of the road or anything. So I just don't feel comfortable driving. And like, even if I were to get things fixed on it, it's like every time I stopped or every time it gave me a weird sound, like I would just always be paranoid in the back of my head. Like I would never have a peace of mind driving the car anymore. So that's why I just decided to go ahead and just sell it. I had my Altima for about 5 years. I drove it to Virginia from South Carolina. I was so thankful that it made it on that six-hour drive. You know, we were thugging for a while. We were in these streets for a little minute. If you watch some of my beginning vlogs, like some of my earlier vlogs, I was definitely driving my Altima. But as time went on, like I said, we just kept having issues with it, and it is what it is. This morning while I took MEILANI to the dentist, Fred like went ahead and just cleaned it out for me. I didn't have nothing in it, honestly. I had a car seat and I had a couple things in the trunk, but he went ahead and took that stuff out, and he also went ahead and took my tags and my license plate and stuff off. That's what it is. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing the rest of the day. It's almost, what is it, like 4:15? It's 4:09. I think we're about to get the babies. And they're gonna eat dinner / lunch or whatever. And yeah, but I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys and let you guys know how y'all little niece's dentist appointment went. Okay, she did a good job. She did a good job. Girl, you 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 did a good job.
exclusive looks from designer brands like Vera Wang and Calvin Klein will help you create a style to complement any special occasions. Get ready to celebrate at Men's Warehouse.
Hey y'all, so I got some new little accessories for my camera. I am so excited. I got a camera cover, and then I got this attachment that you put on the bottom of your camera. That way, when your camera is attached to your tripod, you don't have to keep taking your camera off the tripod to like change your battery or change your memory card. And y'all know for about a good 20 vlogs, I've been saying how I needed to get new batteries. Talk to me nice, okay? Talk to me nice. Because I got not one, not dos, but trace, three new batteries. So girl, I'ma always keep one in my purse. And these two could just be chilling, but I'ma always keep a battery in my purse because you never know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog for the night. I probably will just see you guys in the morning. Tomorrow, I think I definitely want to make breakfast. So I'm probably gonna make some waffles. What's tomorrow's Wednesday. I can't believe it's like 4 more days to Christmas. That's crazy. Milani, you wanna plug up the Christmas tree?
Oh no!
Hi, have a kiss.
Big hug.
Big hug.
I got you too, Mommy.
I love you 3, Milani. Why do you have your sister's clothes?
Bye.
Why do you have your sister's outfit on now? Look, you are funny. Milani, are you gonna plug up the tree? I need to go clean my house, y'all. So